keep them moving slowly up the ramp. Watch the sides, make sure they don't spook.
All right, easy, keep moving. Watch the ramp. Watch the ramp, watch the ramp. Steady on.
All systems green, we are cleared for departure.
Confirmed. The birds are completely calm.
All green back here, boss.
Good. Let's get moving. Follow the lead truck closely.
The transport trucks carry their precious cargo across the open plains, beginning the final stage of the journey.
Morning. Let me see the manifest, please.
Sure thing, everything's accounted for.
All right, proceed ahead to loading bay 4.
The intake rate is stable, but monitor the biometric data on pen 3.
Acknowledged. The synchronization appears to be holding steady.
Plumage condition here is optimal.
Agreed. Movement is stable.
Advanced technology allows us to monitor the health and processing readiness of each bird with precision, maintaining the highest standards.
The temperature spiked slightly here.
I see it. Adjusting the cycle temperature down by 2 degrees now.
Parameters confirmed, looks good. This section here, the follicle definition is exceptional.
Agreed. It meets the criteria for a grade 1 finish.
After careful inspection, each hide is marked and sorted into its quality grade, like this grade A sheet.
If we optimize the placement here, we can fit the clutch design without any waste. Perfect. That maximizes the yield on this hide.
Just a nip.
Alignment on sector 3 is perfect.
Confirmed. Ready for sequencing.
Check the die consistency on this edge. It's acceptable. Proceed with the final stamp.
Alignment on sector 3 is perfect.
Confirmed. Ready for sequencing.
Okay, bring it down slow right there. Watch the clearance on the side. Copy that. Pallet secure.
The ostrich skin products begin their journey to global markets.
From the raw intensity of the factory floor, the journey continues into the heart of the city.
The texture is truly unique, sourced from the finest South African hides. Notice the deep quill patterns and the luster of the finish.
The texture on this is incredible. Is this the current price listed here?
Yes, that includes the warranty.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful piece.
Yeah, I'll take it.
All carefully packaged for you. Thank you for shopping with us today.